How to log in into yahoo.com. In this video, I will show you how can you easily log in into yahoo.com if you already have an account. If not, how to create a new account in yahoo.com. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, either go to the official website of yahoo.com from any of your web browser or simply download the application. After that, once you open the application, you will see this login page detail, where if you already have an account, provide your Yahoo ID and password and click on sign in. If you cannot remember your password, choose the option of I can't access my account. After that, provide your email or mobile number where you will be receiving a certain digit verification code using which you can log in into your Yahoo account. Now if you don't have an account in yahoo.com, simply choose the option of create a new account. After that, provide your important details, then after your mobile number and email using which you can verify your identification to create your yahoo.com account. And that's it. That is how easily you can create a new yahoo.com account and log in into it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.